Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barb's Auto Help. Today we're going to be cleaning a mass airflow sensor on a GM 3.8 liter V6 Series 2. Okay, and there is a special tool you're going to need to do this. It's a tamper-proof T20 Torx bit. You can't use just a regular T20 bit on these because it won't fit on there. Alright, let's go ahead and disconnect our sensor. There's a little tank you got to pull down on and then pull straight out on it. Go ahead and take our screws out. Alright, once you got your screws out, just go ahead and pull straight up on the sensor, just like that. So what happens over time as air flows through your sensor, it builds up dirt in there and it really throws off the accuracy. So just as preventative maintenance, it needs to be cleaned out every now and then. So you can't just use anything to do this. Whatever you use, it needs to be mass airflow sensor cleaner. I'm not supporting any brand or anything here, but you need to make sure that it is whatever you're using is made for this purpose. Also read the back. There's a whole lot of stuff you need to know about the product before you use it, and make sure you use it in accordance to the instructions on the back here. You really should have a paper towel up underneath this. I'm just doing it like this just for the sake of the video here. But just take the cleaner and spray it right up inside there. Just like that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's already a big difference in there. Well, that black soot that you saw on it earlier is off. Of course, I'm not sure how good my camera is, but it's looking pretty good there. All right, place your sensor back in the housing. Put your screws back in. Reconnect your connector, and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please see the description below for more important information about this. Also, if this was especially helpful to you, please give the video a like, and if you would like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, guys.